Hello friends, welcome to VMS class. In this video, I am going to show you a simple program to print the first n natural numbers in Python. Here, you are going to ask what is the n value. If the user is enter the value 10, then your program output should print from 1. It should print the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this end number also will be included. Your program output should print the first n natural numbers. So for doing this, you have a function in Python called range function. For the range function, you can provide three parameters. First parameter is start, second parameter is end, third parameter is a step. If you want to provide the start number, you can include 1 here. If you want the first n numbers, you have to give the end plus 1. You can give start equal to 1, then end equal to n plus 1. Because the end will be excluded, that's why you have to include end plus 1. Okay? End plus 1 number to get the numbers. So for this above example, you have to use the range function, range of 1 comma n plus 1. You have to repeat this numbers from 1 to n plus 1 using any loop. For example, I am taking for loop. Okay. So now let's show the demonstration here. Go to the ideally. Now if I say range of 1 comma 10, okay, it will create a range sequence or object. If you want to see the numbers present in this range, you can do the typecasting list of range of 1 comma 10. As you notice that this is the start will be included in the list, 10 will be excluded from the list. If you want to include the 10 also, you have to give list of range of 1 comma 10 plus 1, that is 11. Then you can see all the numbers. Now you can write the for loop on this list of numbers to print each and every element present in the list. Let's take a new file. Now I want the n number, n equal to int of input of enter the n value up to which number you want. Okay. Now you have to repeat this using the for loop for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. Then every time you have to print the I value here. Initially I value is 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 10. Okay. Let's save this program as program 13. Then let's execute this program. I want the n value as 10. So you can see that numbers from 1 to 10 are printing over here. For example, if I change the n value as 100, then it will print all the numbers 1 to 100. If you want the numbers in a single line with a space, you can add another parameter to the print function end equal to a space I am adding. Don't terminate with slash n, now terminate with a space. Let's save this program and run this. You can see enter the value 10. Now you can see that all numbers are coming in a single line. Let's take the same test case for 100. If I give the n value as 100, you see that all numbers are coming like this with a space as a separator. Okay, that's how you can print the first n numbers using the for loop. There are many other logics. Even you can use the while loop also for printing the n natural numbers. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on computer education. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.